Hi friends, Sharon from Mad Paper Crush here, and I just wanted to show you a new kit that I have out. It's called Holly and Ivy, and it's a red and green kind of grungy, collagey kind of kit. So it has a total of, I think it's 16 pages, and there are a couple of ephemera pages. So this is a large envelope, and then there are 3 fold over tabs that you could put, onto the side of a page or the top of a page, or even as a tag topper or something like that. So that's the first page there. My second ephemera page has a smaller envelope on it with 3 kind of smallish tags and a nice big Christmas Newport label. I love that label. And then the third page of ephemera has 3 large tags on it and 2 strips of washi tape, or what would look like washi tape. You could use these just as collage. You could just, cut them out, cut pieces out and put them, on different pages and things like that. And the fourth page of ephemera has one more tab, that fold over tab that you could put on a page. I didn't have room on that other sheet to put that in. And then there are a bunch of different labels. So these are like 2-inch circle labels that have some fun little graphics on them. And then I have some, I don't know, these octagonal labels down here with some more illustrations on them, and another large envelope with a bunch of different things on it there. And then the rest, the last 12 are actually journal type pages. So they're full, journal pages. And I kind of did them in a collage format, and I added some white grunge to the top. And I thought that made it look fun for snow or something that would be covering them. So there's lots of red and green in here, and I used all kinds of different things to make this. So wallpaper, book pages, advertisements, botanicals, book covers, fabrics, all kinds of stuff. So this was really fun to make, and there's a bunch of different pages. I love this artist supplies and drawing material with a reindeer on there. And then another sort of red and green page. Well, they're all pretty much red and green, I guess I should say. This one has some music page in. Oh, and this one, I wanted to mention, this illustration, I actually hand colored digitally, but hand colored all of her red on there because I just thought it popped and kind of matched with the fabric that I had on this side. And I love their little expressions here. They look like they're being, brother and sister being forced to, get in a picture there and get along with each other for a couple minutes. So I thought that was cute. And these are much happier looking children, but I love the colors of their outfits on that little vintage photo there too. And same with these girls. They look like dancers to me. And I love their kind of just a light pink and green. So I tried to find some wallpapers and different pages that would match kind of their outfit there. Their yellow boots with the fur. I love it. And this one is the cover of a music book there with some music pages and an old postcard. And another old postcard with her pink little dress. It looks like it was, digitally enhanced as well. And then some more. I love the white kind of grunge all over everything. And this one has a Santa on there with some musical instruments, some more fabrics. This one's a book cover, another old postcard, Christmas postcard. And this is the last page. This one's got lots of red in it, but it has another old postcard, some looks like the back of a photo card, maybe a book cover there, and some fabrics down here. So that is my new kit called Holly and Ivy. So I will just put one of the front pages out here so you can see the name of it. Holly and Ivy. I will link to it up here in the corner as well as down below if you'd like to check it out. Thank you so much, friends. Have a great day. Bye-bye.